In primetime news this evening, new COVID-19 alert. Communities in St. Andrew now under the Health Ministry's radar. Politician tests positive for COVID-19. And back to school in limbo.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also on the internet at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business days, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on today's announcement that 18 communities in the corporate area have seen increased COVID-19 cases?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.